Sparky Sparks here. I have new hair. I am so excited to share this with you today. We're gonna run through a few wigs today, and so I'm just really thrilled. This is Elizabeth, one of my new favorites, and she is in Palm Springs Blonde. So a couple of things I wanna tell you. This is by Jon Renau. And the great thing is they sent me this with the wig. So super great, easy wide tooth comb. Now let's get into Elizabeth. We're gonna start on the inside. I always like to start, I'm gonna stick the comb in my pocket here. So this is Elizabeth. We're gonna give her a shake. And look at this, it's a fully hand-tied cap with the lace front running from almost ear to ear, right? And then let's look in the back. We've got the adjustable tabs, super easy to adjust. Usually it comes just right for me. I'm about an average cap. I think I'm 22 inches. So now we'll turn her over. This is one of my favorite colors, Palm Springs Blonde. I love to wear this color with black. I think it really sets it off. So we've given her a shake. The reason you shake her is she's been cooped up in a box, and it's nice to just let her be free. You're gonna get some flyaway hairs. It's okay, nothing's wrong with the wig. So let's put her on. For my new wig wearers, this is the part where you really need to give yourself some grace. Putting on a wig for the first time always looks a little silly because it's different than our own bio hair, right? This is a lot more hair than I have. So putting her on feels a little foreign at first. So the first thing we're gonna do is put the tag in the back, and that's gonna land right about the nape of my neck. And I'm gonna put my forehead in here where the lace is. So we're gonna try to land it somewhere in here. Now the rule of thumb is 4 fingers. Now you can see, and I always tease, that I have an 8 head. In other words, there's 8 fingers that could fit between here and my hairline. It's always been that way. It's just what it is. So let's dive in. So you pull her on. And this is about how it looks for everybody when you first put on the wig, and then you see. So use the ear tabs on either side. They're little wiry ear tabs on each side of the hair. Now, for Elizabeth, we're just gonna finger comb her here. Adjust her like you want. Now remember, there's that full lace that's runs all the way to this ear tab here. So we can adjust her, we can part her anywhere we want. Look. Looks just like my scalp in there. I like to wear a left side part. Pull out my handy dandy comb. I always like to put a fresh part in the hair like this. We'll just see where she wants to be. If you want to retrain the part, I use a little bit of water and just spray it in there. This doesn't seem to need it though. Now look at how gorgeous with this black top, even a black sweater as we're approaching winter, right? I love the little flip up in the back. So pretty. Palm Springs Blonde. So soft, so pretty, really elegant. You can do half up, half down if you want. Just gorgeous. Great look for this upcoming holiday season. Love to know your thoughts. Again, this is Elizabeth by Jon Renau in Palm Springs Blonde. So this is Elizabeth in Malibu Blonde, or 12 FS12. So let's compare the two colors. Here we go. So Palm Springs Blonde, Malibu Blonde. Let's put Malibu Blonde on. Same hand-tied top, same lace front. So this is Malibu Blonde, same style, Elizabeth. Now I've worn this Elizabeth a lot more than the other. So as you wear them, they get a little more substance to them between the air pollution and just you putting your fingers in them. It gets a little more defined, the curl pattern. Same style though. And this is I'd say a little warmer. I'm not clear on the cool and the warm, but this is a pretty golden for me, and it's the Palm Springs Blonde is a little more platinum. Let's look at the back. So 2 colors, 1 style. Jon Renau, so good.